that it's not it's public, not anyone and everyone can access.
But avo manje vane nguva kuzoda kukwanisa kupindura, saka still teams ugona kuita
issue yekusunza maoko nechichichichi issue yekusunza maoko
saka yatwa live mera kushare link. So if you want to see sadakanoti nelink iro link iro manje ukarikanda paTeams, like ukavhura that video paTeams uchiplaya paTeams munhu achitaura facilitator achitaura handiti unokwanisa kuisa this video up live zvinoitika
I'm not sure.
So that's too bad.
But YouTube, in a live chat.
Live chat. Oh, but it's live chat. You can be reading my comments and stuff.
Total to get a live chat kana kusanza ko so you maybe to today.
Tunamsuza kwa sababu hiyo ngo tukomuita management. But it's maybe as a robot, you have something to say.
And just the time you have to have my discussions. Thank you.
But can I and single to my staff members and
but mainly my questions are going to our total time. Who go to treating our time? So good.
Pachasoda a copy of this.
A copy. Yeah, it would be good by a copy.
Please. Because I'm still not having basically very popular. Can I pack that to shooting? We can shoot. And you they want to go on zvokuitika kuno. Kuitika kuno. Mapesa ezachipindwa pano. Ngokuti saka kuna kutofana kuti ndibisa ati zvakashaka. Ndibisa kuti zvakati. Kinozokuti pakuno kwakutopindwa. Uyu akona pa live akutopindwa zvikazi kuti wake.
Officially, bronze. Bronze. sound ukakonta mic wana feedback karibu hii feedback ya all right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our SIMAS Health podcasts. So with me here, I've got Mr. Anesu, I've got Mr. Brendan, and then we've got our conveners, Ms. Chido and Ms. Maybe from SIMAS. So we're going to be taking us through the podcast, going to be discussing various aspects of reproductive health. We've got our team of experts, gynecologists, and then mental health experts. So ladies, feel free and make sure that you enjoy yourselves, express yourself, and I hope you to be beneficial to all of you. Thank you. So I don't know, Anesu, can you hear me? kana tikaongozwa HTML ikangozoitawo tete izvozvo and then the sound tokokuita maspeaker
vanongopuwa link iyo inongorichinja zita zvino then people will be able to kuona
saka apo rochagadzira imwe copy yava and kuti so iyo togona so live stream another day takushandisa video yacho inenge yapeta quality.
I think zvinoita otherwise
saka izvi zvinosara
eitosiya
yoda kuti mangwana Brendan chisvika ka mic pane mic imwe iri muuyo microphone will just remind me iri muoffice penyu mave mamicrophone
industry